Hey guys, welcome to 2019. I hope and pray that this year is an amazing year for you, and my motto for this year is believe. I've got my Believe coffee cup and my box over there that says believe, and I believe in this year, I believe in our creator, and I believe in making changes for the better, and that is possible in 2019. So we're starting off this year with some at-home exercise equipment that isn't gonna set you back too much and is easy to do, doesn't take up a lot of space, and you can do it even if you're a beginner. So I've got 4 different things to show you, and I use all of them on a regular basis, and I swear by them. So if that's of interest to you, stay tuned, and let's do this. Okay, before I go any further, please consider subscribing if you haven't already. And if you have, or if you are subscribing today, hit that bell so that you're notified of every video that I post. I post every Tuesday and Thursday, and it's all about life, food, family, and fun. And this month, especially in January. January is the month of getting back in shape, losing some of those holiday pounds, of which I have a few, and sticking to a plan. So I'm back on keto, and I'm going to have 4 keto-related videos this month alone, including some great recipes. So hit that notification bell so that you'll know when those things come out. Okay, so for today, this video is more for people who work out at home. They don't necessarily love working out. You like the benefits, not so much the couple of hours or hour that it takes to work out. But these are hopefully a couple of things that are either really fun, very compact, or you can multitask while doing it. So the first one is one that I reviewed previously, and I will link in the cards above here the video on a full review on this product. But this is the Stealth Core Trainer, and this is a plank machine, but instead of just sitting there on the ground planking forever or for like 2 minutes, let's be real, you actually play a video game while you're doing it. And when I first reviewed it, it was just hover over these kind of bombs until they blow up. And since then, they have released one where you're hang gliding through trees and you don't actually realize that you're planking, and you end up doing it a whole lot longer. So I love this. I'm gonna show you my kids checking it out too. Okay, so ours is kind of a big one. They have come out with a smaller version of it that's a little bit more compact. It's gonna set you back $129.99. I have a link in the description on where to get that. And it's so much fun. I mean, anytime you can make exercise fun, I swear by that. This is a good one, go check it out. All right, number 2, this is great if you travel or you're in a small space in an apartment or a dorm room and you don't have a lot of space for equipment. These are Peach Bands. I would say these are probably more for women because I don't know there's gonna be enough resistance for men to really get some resistance training, but these pants are so great. You can use them for your arms, for your legs, inner thighs, outer thighs, all of that. It comes in a really cute, compact little traveling case. It takes up no space at all, and just a really cool thing to travel with or to keep in a drawer, frankly. But it gives you some really good resistance. There's 4 different resistance levels. This one is $17.99 on Amazon. I will also have a link in the description box below. Really great for travel, really great for resistance, and not hard on your wrists or joints. So third is also a compact little thing, and this was actually featured on Shark Tank several seasons ago, and it is the Simply Fit board. And it kind of looks like a skateboard without wheels, and you basically just stand on it and twist from your waist. Make sure you're not twisting from your knees. Only, focus on the core and your waist when you're twisting. You can stand there and watch Netflix. I homeschool my boys 2 days a week. They're in a university model school, and so I'll stand across from them in the kitchen using this thing while I'm helping them with their homework. And it's just a way to multitask. It doesn't take up a lot of space. It's not hard on your joints, but you do get a pretty good workout, and you can just slide it under your bed when you're done and you're good to go. This is a really easy exercise for your core that really is fun. It works, and you can watch TV or do whatever while you're on that. This one is $26.77 on Amazon. I know Amazon prices change and stuff, so it's just what it is today. But there's a link in the description for that. It's a really fun, simple thing. Anyone can do it. And don't give up. If you try it and you get on it, use a chair or a counter until you get the hang of it. And it's kind of like riding a bike. You feel a little bit weird doing it and a little clumsy, and you feel like, oh, I'm never gonna get this. And then it just clicks, and then it's like riding a bike, you never forget. It's really actually pretty easy. Now, I wouldn't recommend doing this on a hard floor. You need to have it needs to be on carpet or a rug, but if you've got all hardwood flooring or tile flooring, all you need to do is get like a bath rug and just put it on that. And it'll actually help you stay in one spot, because you don't be traveling all over the place on this thing. You're supposed to actually stay in one spot and just twist back and forth. Okay, and then lastly is the Wirk exercise bike. There's several of these on the market. I have the Wirk one, it's W-I-R-K, and it is $141.34. And what I love about it is the multitasking feature of it. You can set your laptop or a book on the exercise bike and just cycle while you're working. I do a ton of video editing and research and marketing and things like that, and so I'm constantly sitting in front of my laptop, and just sitting there sedentary is just not good for your health. And so I wanted something to where I could be on there moving and getting some exercise while I was working. Now, this is not going to replace a heavy cardio workout or anything like that, because otherwise you're just like sweating up a storm and you can't possibly be typing. So it's a mild thing, but in place of being sedentary, you can get an extra 100, 200, 300 calories burned sitting there for an hour working and not even realize that you've done that, really. And I love that. Anytime you can multitask, we're all busy, and you can get something in there. And even if you're just sitting there watching Netflix, you can be getting a workout just by cycling. It's easy on your joints, it's quiet, so check this one out. Okay, that's it for today's video. 4 simple, affordable, easy things that don't take up a lot of space in your home, that you can multitask with and have fun with. And so get healthy in 2019. I can't believe I'm saying it's 2019. I'm gonna be writing 2018 until about March before it really clicks in. Otherwise, I hope you're having a great day. Stay tuned for some amazing keto recipes and a journey. I'm gonna be trying a 5-day keto induction to see how much weight I can drop and if I can drop some of those holiday pounds, and I'm gonna vlog it the whole way through. So stay tuned for that, hit that notification bell, and let's do this together. I hope you're having a great day, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy New Year.